Hey Hooper, it's Deanne Love here. Welcome to Hoop Dance Flow class. We are in week 1 of this month and I'm so glad that you have joined me because we're going to have a ton of fun and probably build our coordination, our strength, and like most of you are asking, our flow, the way that we melt the tricks together. So let's start off with a warm-up. Grab a hoop that feels good on your body. Just going to give it a spin in one direction, maybe in the other. Just kind of come into your circle. Go grab it. I'll give you a little bit of time if you need to kind of move the coffee table or grab your water. Just no rush. Just start to drop in. And by that, I mean bring your awareness, bring your focus, bring your thoughts and your feelings into the space that you are now. There's all this stuff going on, oh so many things that we can choose to focus on at any one moment, more and more and more. And all you need to do right now is be one with your hoop. What a relief. Okay, so we are going to look for space. I often talk about taking up space, and you don't even have to have a huge room to take up space, to expand through the body and be, live, express larger than life. But we're going to look for the space in between you and the hoop. Now, without collapsing the posture, just have a little look down and see how much extra room is in between you and your hoop. And really, in this warm-up, we're just going to, in any way that feels right for you, take our hands down, and if you're on the waist, down into the pockets. You might take 2 at once, and it feels weird, and no one's watching, and it doesn't matter. Just taking arms into space, maybe at the back, maybe at the sides, maybe the hoop bites you. It's okay. It's not about perfection. It's about body awareness. Maybe you bring the hoop a little higher. Ooh, it's cold. Maybe you take both arms in and shimmy up. If that's not in your practice, have a go. It's okay. Don't compromise your posture, bring it high. You're taking the hoop up, so you put the arms in, 1 above the elbow, 2, and shrug, shrug, shrug. If it comes up to the neck, that's okay. If you need to turn in a circle in the same direction as your hoop, that's okay. If it is in your practice, bringing it up to the shoulders, opening through the heart, looking for the space that opens in front. Maybe one arm, then the other. Waving it. Bending the elbow. Taking both arms out and both arms in. Down and up. Just expressing through the space between you and your hoop, however feels right for you. Maybe that's little paddles, bringing the hand to the heart, letting the hoop roll over the back of the hand. Maybe it's prayer hands, up and down, up and down. Maybe standing in one position, side to side. And if you're on the waist, just enjoy this. Please don't ever feel the rush that you need to be anywhere else apart from where you are right now in your hooping, because that kind of comparison or desire to be over there when really you're luxuriating in this, that gap, that's what's going to mess up the flow. So we don't want to go there. So if you're here, you're here. You're here. It's okay. If you're here, you're trying to shrug up, yes, go for it, play. If you're standing still, pulsing side to side, maybe it's a 1, 2, 1, 2. Get that heart started. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes, yes, yes. Maybe a new pattern. 1, 2, out, down, down, up. You can make it up however feels right for you. All right. Feeling that heart rate come up. Feeling that shirt come up. Watch yourself. Into the space. Close your eyes. Feel the hoop's response to your movement. Trust the opening of the space. Come into a fuller breath. A different expression. No holding back. Doesn't matter. You know what? When your eyes are closed, no one can see you. That's my theory. So you can do whatever you like when your eyes are closed. Because it's all good. Moving into it. How's it feeling? Circling up and down, around and around. We're here for 2 more minutes. So give yourself the time to play wherever works for you. It might be on the knees if that's something that you're working into. Maybe you want to take the leg in and out. It's a challenge. It's a mega challenge. So no need to. You might want to just drop it down. Whoop. You. Maybe you want to drop it to the hips. Get a little funky. 1 more minute. Barely enough. Beautiful. Amazing. There doesn't have to be a continuous rhythm, but if you're feeling like you're drawing a pattern, draw that pattern. Go for that pattern. Go for that timing. Or just mess it up. It's okay. Go in the opposite direction. Mess it up. Maybe you want to do breaks and put your hands. Oh, heavy hoop. Play, play, play. How are we going for time? 10 seconds. Make it count. Nice. Amazing. Okay, give yourself a big deep breath. Full, full, full. Not just up in the chest, all the way down and out. 2 or 3 more times in your own time. Grab a drink of water. We're going to do the coordination. Hope you're feeling nice and warmed up. Okay, it's time to get our brains revved up. This is your weekly brain health activity. It's Coordination Station.